Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up, guys? This is Caruzu from Caruzu's Gaming and Reactions. Good morning. I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be reacting to James Graham, Human Nature. I believe this comes from the TV show The Four. Somebody had asked me to react to more James Graham music. I actually like James Graham. He can actually sing. He has a great voice. And he's singing... this is a cover for Michael Jackson, by the way. So hopefully this doesn't get blocked. But let's get to it. I did see him sing the song Hello by Adele. He killed that. I mean, he killed it. It was really good. So let's see how he did on this. This is a difficult song to sing, especially if you're not Michael Jackson. All right, let's go.
Looking out across the mountain, the city waits a sleepless eye. Hear her
He's got a fantastic voice.
Shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. If they say why?
It's hard to believe he's British because his English is like American English is really good.
Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere.
He's got some good stage presence.
She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why?
Wow.
Does he do me that way?
Yo.
I like to live in this way. I like to love in this way. Hey.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow. That's crazy.
Reaching out.
Did you see it? That thing was like, yeah, that's hard. Yeah. Whoa. Man. That was awfully good. That song is very difficult to sing it because Michael Jackson had a certain tone and the way he sung songs. There ain't a lot of people that can sing that song, Human Nature. You don't hear people do that cover because if you don't make the tones right, it won't sound right. That was fantastic, guys. I love that. And if you like my reaction to this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share. I'm Caruzu from Caruzu's Gaming and Reactions. I'm going to do a little bit more of James Graham too as well. I'm going to check out some more of his music. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.